When I play short single player games kasi I like to stream them para may recording ako ng sarili ko.
Streaming na.
Yeah.
Bro, ang saya mag-flip ng card. Legit. I'll be earning shit like crazy. Depends on how high the card is. Let's say it's a 5 to 7k card. I can flip it for 1k more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh. Tas may cheat code ka pa sa 7-Eleven, diba?
Siyempre.
Tang inang yan. Pupuntahan mo ba si Aaron?
Not
Hindi niya pa napag-uusapan.
next time.
Next time.
Pagka nasa school ka,
Ay, shit.
para di na kami dalawa. Tapos kain tayo sa labas.
Ang bilis ng ano? Ang bilis ng text. Gago, ang bilis ng laro. What the hell? What the hell? The game is fast as fuck. Is there a problem with my emulator? Uh-huh. What's this? Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but the game is so fast.
Limit mo yung FPS mo, pre.
Is that it? I feel like that's it rin eh.
Hindi, yun talaga. Yun talaga.
Suffering from success. Should I V-Sync?
Pwede. Using ka.
Ayun, book. I'm not sure.
Okay na.
Let me check later. It's introducing the game mechanics. Yung ayaw ko sa Ace Attorney games, ang tagal niya mag-introduce ng game mechanics. Like, it takes so fucking long, man. Okay. Wait lang.
Bilis pa rin.
Yeah, it's still fast. So let me exit muna the game.
Try mo, meron ba nagli-limit ng FPS talaga? Yung
Let me check Ryu Jinx. Mm-hmm.
graphic. Graphic.
Yeah, naka ano na yung VSync. Let's see. The central print kasi 165 yung ano eh. Yung default ata na ano, na VSync ko. Ayun. Mabagal na. Mabagal na.
Ganun talaga pagka ano eh. Pagka you have a good PC tapos 200 plus yung FPS. Na-experience ko siya sa league eh. Laro ko mga nasa 400. Tangin na nag-i-stutter.
Kasi it's trying to load frames that aren't there yet.
Tapos yung ano, yung laro ko din sa mga Pokemon. Yung sobrang bilis. Kasi diba usually yung mga games na yun 30 FPS lang. Yung sa mga 3DS, Game Boy, DS. Imagine mo naka 200 or 300 FPS.
Okay, now that it's in VSync mode, it feels significantly slower. But like, I know ganito dapat, but like, it feels slow. Alam mo yun? It's like, natapos na yung high ko from drugs, tapos, ang bagal na tuloy ng ano.
Parang bagal na ng mundo ngayon.
Oo.
Ayaw mo Danganronpa.
I know the story now of Danganronpa eh, kaya it's a story game kasi you can't really play it nang alam mo na yung ano mangyayari. Alam mo yun?
Bago. I kind of forgot na ako. Mga shit. Sino yung nag-play?
Connect. Ayun lang, talking to my friends sa IG. Okay, now it just feels so slow. Okay. Okay, so the guy has to be a detective. Like the killer, or he got a gun somewhere from a detective. In other words, he was shot. Yeah, obviously, dumbass. Buddy Fate. Does he have a life? Ano ba? Cute pa rin ni Gumshoe. Ah. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Only one round was fired. But that doesn't make sense because the guy gave us a warning shot when he was threatening us. Yeah, this guy has to be the killer. Wait, Gumshoe, that's terrible. Hi, boss. How are you? I just started the game. So I'm super early into the game right now. Sige nga, sino to? Is that you, Bryce? Oh, fuck. I'm so fucked. Sino yun? Oh, no! no. Who are you? Ay, akala ko naman. Okay, so it is you. Ikaw kinakabahan mo. Oh my god. Naihi ka ba, pre? No, not really. Why? Why are you asking? Oh. Hmm. I already know this. But wala ka nung bubble thing. What bubble thing? What bubble? What's that? Oh! I'm not sure. I don't really know how that works actually. I think when you have like when you're like a Twitch affiliate, that's when you get the points thingy. Like the bubble thing. Ang alam ko si yeah. Ang alam ko si Waki, like his channel has that has that feature. Hala, nagbe-block pala ng buti pumasok ka. Nagbe-block pala ng camera ko yung yung text box. Okay. What's his channel? Let me type it for you. I don't know if I spelled it correctly, but I think it's that. Yeah, sa kanya may like bubbles thing. Think you get it like when you're like an affiliate or some shit? I don't know how it works. But he streams more often kasi than me. Hello? Do you still play League? Yeah. Recently I haven't, but recently I have wait, no, that's wrong. I stopped playing League for some time. Tas kakabalik ko lang sa League like 2 days ago. Yun. Kakalaro ko lang ng League ulit 2 days ago. Actually, my account got hacked. My account got hacked sa League actually. No, while I was away, while I wasn't playing, it got hacked. So I had to change my I don't know. Kasi before, okay, actually kasalanan ko 'yun. Kasi wala akong two-factor authentication sa League. Like yung two-factor, 'di ba, kapag dead game na nga. True. Kasi kapag two-factor, 'di ba, kapag may naglo-login sa account mo, may magsisend ng email para i-verify. Wala akong ganun dati. So, ayun siguro. Na-hack account ko. Tapos, ginamit niya pang cheat sa solo queue yung account ko. So, I got banned. So, nag-appeal naman ako sa decision and I got my account back. Account back. Let me pull it up for you. Yan wait lang. Yeah, buti nga nabalik eh. Kasi saya yung ginastos ko sa lahat ng skins ko. Okay. So, ito yung last game ko. Itong kill game. Ay, wait. Itong kill game. This was my last game before quitting League. This was my last game. And you can tell kasi pare-parehas yung kasama ko dito. So, kasama ko si Sion dito. So, Sion dito. Sion dito. Yan. Puro si Sion kasama ko, diba? So, I quit League after that for some time kasi wala na akong gaano mag-League. Tapos, ayun. So, nahack yung account ko, tapos ginagamit niya, nilaro niya. Itong mga games na 63 days ago, hindi ako yan. Yan, itong Jace game hanggang itong Jinx game, hindi ako yan. What the heck? That's not me. Maybe he just wanted my skins. Yeah. Ayun, that's not me. And then, because he was cheating sa mga games. He was actually cheating sa games. So, the account got banned. Tapos, binuksan ko ulit yung league ko after some months. Kasi gusto ko sana gawin yung pick'ems. Tapos, nakita ko, why am I banned? Well, buti na lang madali yung appeal process. What kind of cheats can you do sa league? It's called scripting. Like, you download the program, and then when you press spacebar, every time you press spacebar, it does an action for you. So, let me go to, Ano to? What the hell? Ayan, no? I think he was using a script. Yan, ganyan. Tutorial on how to cheat. But yeah, I think he was using something like this during my games. Kasi nung tinitignan ko yung match history niya, especially this one, yung Jace game. Uy, ang bagal naman mag-load. Oh. Ang bagal naman mag-load. Yeah, when you look at his games, sobrang perfect ng CS niya eh. Okay, it's not loading. They don't want to load. Ayun. This Jace game, it's 36 minutes. Tapos yung CS niya, 360. Sobrang perfect ng CS niya. So that's how I knew he was cheating on my account. Eh, ang weird nga, kasi he's already cheating, tas natatalo pa rin siya sa games. So, itong first 3 games niya, siguro he was testing the cheats. And then, naglaro siya ng 4 na solo queue games. Ang weird sa akin kasi he's already cheating. Ay, 5 pala na solo queue games. He's already cheating, tapos natatalo pa rin siya. Diba? He's that bad. Imagine being so bad na nag-cheat ka na nga tapos natatalo ka pa rin. Lalo na itong Jinx game. Nag-cheat ka na nga tapos 8 pa rin deaths mo. Paano yun nangyayari? Do you know anong country siya? I'm not sure. But I've never given my password to anyone. And kapag nagko-comp shop naman ako, I make sure to log out lagi sa account ko eh. And after I quit League naman, di ako nag-comp shop eh. So, this really isn't me. I'm not sure. I don't know what country. Either Pinoy siya or... What's that? Do you play sa... Let me search it. Oh! It looks nice. No, yung comp shop na pinupuntahan ko sa Taft kasi is yung Buzz. Yung Buzz yung pinupuntahan ko eh. Sa Taft. Pero ang cute naman ng pangalan nila. I don't know how to pronounce though. Kadeliman. Cute ng logo nila. kitang aesthetic ng comp shop. Old school price. Ganda rin, kaso yung kadiliman, 20 pesos. Oh, really? Actually, mahal kasi sa Buzz. Tingnan mo yung sa Buzz, oh. 35 per hour. Tas member na yun, ah. Grabe naman. Grabing presyo yan. Kasi yung... wala kasi akong laptop or PC sa condo ko dati. Tawag dito? Yung laptop ko kasi, lang yun eh, yung binili kong laptop for school. For school talaga. Oo, mga lang, 30K. So, it couldn't really run League well. Nagdo-dorm ka. Before, last term, hindi. Nag-condo ako for 1 year. Tapos, natapos na yung kontrata ko. Tapos, hindi ko na renew kahit na may classes pa ako. So, ginawa ko na lang is, nag-aangkas na lang ako papunta sa Binild lagi. Ayun. Help. Yeah, ay di na ako nag-renew. Feeling ko kasi sayang oras. So, ginawa ko na lang, angkas na lang ako every time may pasok ako. And yung real estate classes ko naman, hindi sila madalas magpapasok. Alam ko, nakalimutan mo. Well, ayun. I chose na hindi na lang i-renew. Kasi sayang pera. And well, konti lang naman yung classes ko na face-to-face. Kahit yung mga majors ko is konti lang magpa face-to-face. So, hindi ko na, ni-renew. Pero ang funny kasi, kung kailan hindi na ako nakakondo, dun na medyo dumami yung laro ka na ulit. Thank you. Dun na medyo dumami yung face-to-face classes ko. Kung kailan wala na akong kondo. Nung may kondo ako, bilang-bilang lang yung mga face-to-face classes ko. Mga parang twice a week. Ganon. Tapos nung wala na akong kondo, yung mga face-to-face ko, mga thrice a week. Or sometimes even 4. Like, what the fuck? Para di ka na gumasto sa pub shop. True. Tsaka may condo ako dati, tapos madalas talaga ako umuwi kasi I fucking hated Manila. Yeah, I bet it's the new guy. Yung killer. Yeah, you see that guy in pink? I think that's him. That's the killer. Kasi yung prosecutors lang naman may alam na may lock yung bawat pinto eh. Tapos yung prosecutors lang naman yung may alam na may safe sa bawat kwarto. So I'm sure it's him. Kasi prosecutor rin siya eh. So, yung goal nga nung killer was nakawin yung nasa safe. Eh, you can only know what's na may safe kung prosecutor ka. And there's only really one other prosecutor in the room that isn't us, 'di ba? Ano ba yan? Can we talk to him now? Huh. This is just tutorial. Ano ba yan? Okay. Can we present something to him? Oh shit, my lights are acting up. Oh my god. What do we present to him? Oy, nandito ka pala, Aaron?
I just joined. Okay.
Okay, kasi naka-mute yung kapag sumasali, hindi kapag naka-stream eh. Disable ko ngayon.
Punta ka dyan, versus sa mo.
No, bro. Don't even.
Why?
I was outside all day. I can't handle another bitch talking to me right
Damn. Tell me about your day.
now. I'm not doing that, bro.
Why did he start acting like a therapist? Tell me about your day.
So how did you feel about that particular moment?
I'm on stream right now.
Yes. I'm well behaved.
Oh,
Oh.
you?
I have been behaving as I normally do. Streaming on Twitch? Okay. I-mute ko na lang. Just so I can watch. Don't
Versus
wanna
has a reputation to maintain.
What reputation?
What reputation?
Being-
Yeah, what
Liar.
reputation?
Like, how
No
he
one
is
knows
lying
me.
right now.
No one knows. Who do I need to face? The public? The public don't care.
I'm a hack too. Tawa talaga ako. I'm a hack
Ay,
too.
nag-chat pala si Jello sa ano. Yes, sir. VXE. I miss P4G.
You do? I'm touched.
Oh, really? Fuck you.
Wait, when did Jerry touch you?
Huh?
We're on stream. This is a recorded session. I don't know why would you joke about that. Honestly. It's such an out of nowhere thing to say.
If they found what they were looking for.
Ah.
I know, no.
Tama, di ba? Ay, disconnect pala tayo.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Matigan na kita, Idok.
Oh.
Bro, who is watching? Who even cares?
Yeah, it's just my
Oh.
friends sa IG, yung may
Like
link.
the Chinese have a rootkit in my computer.
Yeah, we have Riot Vanguard.
Oh, sige ah.
Hello.
Sige ah. Sige ah.
Hello,
Oh, fuck
Chang
me.
Sheng, I know you're there.
Sige ah. Pero tama, di ba? Yung Victoria de Manila, yung may 7-Eleven sa baba.
Yes, both BDMs have one.
Yun yung sa... Hindi pala Pedro Hill pala, tama?
Yes.
Okay,
So,
yan pala yung
I-
contradiction.
Victoria de Manila?
Ano?
Dalawa yung BDM?
Meron Tower 1, Tower 2, magkatabi lang naman.
Ah,
There's 2 towers? Okay.
Oh, nah, bro. I
Nah.
live here. I live here, okay? I live here. Why is he
Um,
worth edging?
Hello?
Order of the File.
Ayaw nga, may delay pala sa stream.
Yes.
Gago, joke lang yun.
Hindi, tama naman eh. Ano ka ba?
Wala ako.
Oh, hindi mo alam na magaling na detective ka pala eh. Ikaw, always bet on yourself. Believe in yourself.
Have to be a man worth. No, I'm not.
Oo.
You have to be like Edgeworth. You know?
Oy, meron dun sa missing file sa shelf. Ay, nakatago pala sa stream, hindi niyo makikita. You know what? I'm just gonna put my right.
Is he just built like that, or is he bald? I'm sorry.
Who? That's a cap, dumbass!
Gago sa paligid meron, pero dun na sa pinakatuktok pa lang buhok.
Yeah, like the friars of yesterday.
Okay, the killer is trying to frame Gumshoe.
Is there really a gum on his shoe?
Please refrain from making any comments.
Yung sinasabi mo, di ba na killer is eto yung katabi ni Gamshu?
Yeah, I think it's him. I
Why
genuinely think it's
Why
him.
is Junpei on that game? What's going on?
Why do you think it's him? Is it
Kasi
because he looks like
yung mga prosecutors lang naman may alam about the safe inside the rooms, and that guy is also a prosecutor, and every prosecutor has the same safe in the rooms. So kung yung safe nga yung motive, edi siya lang nakakaalam. Even Gumshoe doesn't know about the safe. Of course, it's always easy on the first episode kasi there's only really one suspect.
Yeah, and they call you dumb as fuck. Right?
Yeah. Like isa lang yung character na inintroduce nila sa episode. Of course, siya lang yung magiging suspect. Alangan naman si Detective Gumshoe kasi kasama natin siya buong
Then the next episode, you get introduced to the whole family bloodline. It's up to you.
Pero yung gusto ko sa Ace Attorney games though is yung last episodes, they're really fucking hard. Actually.
But it's like not really hard, like, frustratingly hard. Like, oh, it's just designed that way to just be
Mm-mm.
really
Yeah.
hard.
It's hard in a way that doesn't frustrate you, more like challenges
Yeah.
you. But there were definitely some episodes sa mga games that were making me mad. Especially yung kay Apollo. Yung kay Apollo Justice.
What? Oh, I think I know.
Yeah, kasi there are 3 series, diba? The one with Phoenix
Yeah,
Wright,
yeah, yeah.
this one with Miles
I think
Edgeworth.
I know what you're talking about.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
There were definitely some moments that was making me genuinely mad. Kasi like, why is the case designed this way? Or like, bakit ganun yung mechanic? Especially yung mechanic na kailangan mo panoorin mag-twitch yung katawan nung ini-investigate mo.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, what the fuck?
Yung ano ba? Yung name ba nung attorney yung nandun sa title?
Oo.
Ace attorney.
Oo. Ace Attorney,
Oh.
Phoenix Wright, blah blah blah. Apollo Justice, blah blah blah. This one is named Miles Edgeworth sa original title. But they changed it nung, ano.
Yeah, when he's not worth the edge.
Hmm.
That's literally Junpei. Our ace detective. No comment. No further comment.
Ace Detective. More like,
Schrodinger's cat, but the cat is is Yukari inside the box.
Tsaka sa Ace Attorney games, there comes a point na where every line of dialogue press mo. And sometimes nga, you have to press them in a certain order. Like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah. I mean, gets ko naman yun for, you know.
Yeah, if you make the game too
Keep the-
easy, oo.
To spice it up.
Hold it! Hold it right there.
No, that doesn't make sense because how could the body hide the... Wait, no. I'm not gonna follow up on that. Okay.
Does that game have epilepsy warning?
Yun nga eh, like, it keeps fucking flashing.
Like you're just talking.
Okay, I know what's wrong, but I don't know which one to present. Kasi it doesn't make sense for him. It doesn't make sense kasi baliktad yung ano, yung file, yung lettering. 'Di ba? So which one do I present? The dead body or the lettering? I'm gonna go with the lettering.
Tama naman ah. You're... Pagka nakaganon ka na face, ganun talaga baliktad yung letter, di ba?
O tsaka, o nga, It's missing a file. What I love about the games though is ang OA ng reactions ng lahat.
I love it.
Like, I love how OA they...
Lalo na yung breakdown.
Yeah! Oh my
So
god! Ang
good.
OA nila lagi. Sobrang OA
Like, y'all
nila.
fucking saying the Danganronpa breakdowns were good. Bitch, this was the pioneer, okay? Like,
Yeah,
they're
they
not
were the
Parang
CEO
Christmas
of
also din
OA.
Dapat nandyan si Versailles. Ikaw yung final boss.
final boss. Everyone knows I'm lying. They just don't have proof.
Yeah, you win on like insufficient evidence. That's why you always fucking win with your fucking lies.
OA?
O yung mic mo.
Ayan.
Wait lang. Okay, nice. There's so much shaking in the game. You know what? I'm gonna disable it.
Ayun.
Hi, Ina! Dami akong oras kasi hindi pa ako na-accept sa mga in-applyan kong internship destinations. Putang ina. Pero yung pinakamabilis na nag-reply is RLC though. Who the fuck is this?
What the fuck is that?
I think sulitan mo na yan. Yung time na wala pa akong... No, actually, kinakabahan nga ako kasi I really want to start soon. Ayokong umulit ng internship.
Yeah, you're on a deadline.
But like, at the same time, I understand naman na matagal talaga yung application process. I just wish they would, reply to me faster. Lalo na yung sa Ortigas Land. Kasi sa Ortigas Land, I have to, ayusin yung memorandum of agreement pa nila. Ba't ka na-disconnect, Aaron? Aaron? Hala.
Hello.
Ba't ka na-disconnect? Na-disconnect ka bigla.
I'm lagging.
Shit.
Yeah. They got me.
So now, he's accusing the girl. Change career muna to attorney. Tangina.
Hindi pwede yun, di ba? Mag-real estate ka tapos mag-law ka bigla. So parang real estate.
Pwede ako.
specialty
I
mo
think
as
pwede,
lawyer.
Look at my lawyer dog. I'm going to jail.
I am not pursuing law. I am not gonna do that to myself. Fuck that noise.
Help,
Pero for
my
now-
landlord is chasing me out. I better call Jerry.
Hell no, bruh!
Now you're definitely getting kicked out.
Ah, damn it.
Do not represent me ever? How dare you?
Ah, damn.
Why are my friends my ops? You guys don't trust me
Who would it
with
be?
your properties? Come on, guys.
No.
Damn! Damn.
No. I don't even have one. No.
Pero rin, parang sayang rin ng kaso at pera if ever magano ka pa ng attorney for property-related disputes. Like, that's just my opinion though. Baka biglang may pumasok na attorney tapos nire-rebut ako sa chat. But, a lot of problems sa real estate can be done extrajudicial naman kasi.
Yeah, but when they bring out a lawyer, you have no choice but to match it, right?
Yeah, but I still think it's a waste of money rin eh, for both. If both
Yeah,
bring
it's
out a
just
lawyer,
It's just
mm-mm.
like you can just kill each other. It's just like
Yeah. Just decide it by trial of combat, you know?
yeah.
Mas,
It's
Kala ko
physical
pwede yung
property.
DIY. Yeah, that's what we mean by extrajudicial. Kayo mismo magsasettle ng problema. With the RD, with the BIR, with whatever. Most problems you'll see with real estate is usually yung sa paghatian. Yung sa paghatian ng rights over the property. And syempre, when you and your relatives are fighting over a piece of land, mag-attorney ka pa ba for it?
common Filipino, family scenario.
Mm-mm. I think yung mga worth it lang is kapag corporate. Kapag corporate real estate yung problema. Like this corporation.
Oh yeah, kasi
Mm-mm. Has a-
marami na talaga nakataya doon.
Yeah, exactly. But like when it's just personal property, like I don't think even the lawyer wants to bother
Diba,
with
parang
yung
try mo na.
yung dispute
Ganun.
ng magkapatid.
Lalo na kung madami sila magkakapatid.
Mm-mm. I think real estate law is more corporate talaga. Pero pwede siyang pre-law though.
Tawag doon. Suit spray. Yung first
Yung first season.
yung first tawag doon, case ni Mike.
The one about the carpet? Yeah.
Yung bed bug.
That's an
Ay,
example
bed bug.
where it's worth it kasi it's corporate eh. Mm-mm.
Hindi
But
siya
like if
nag-pay
may
ng-
problema kayo ng landlord nyo, like nang naman maliit na bagay.
Pwede ka ba maging agent at the same time a lawyer?
Real estate agent tapos lawyer ka.
Magbabar ka
Oo.
for the agent. Tsaka at the same time maglalo ka din. Tapos magbabar ka din.
You mean broker tapos mag-bar? Yeah. Pwede. Okay, ba't ganito
Oo,
usapan natin?
Hindi ganun.
Bakit career ko at buhay ko yung usapan natin, guys?
The game is
Eh.
uninteresting. We have to fill it out.
Yeah, it's the first episode kasi.
Yeah. Edgeworth's air vent hair is not enough.
Port.
I'm pressing everything right now.
Ano yung ginagawa ng percent?
Anong percent?
Yung R.
Present.
Uy, you yap too much though, Versailles. Uy, yap.
The characters!
The characters, bro.
Aren't we the character?
We are the commentators, okay?
Yeah.
This
We're-
is the
we're-
game is the Subway Surfer 2-hour podcast.
We're the casting team.
Oh, nah.
Come on.
No.
Gapet.
Don't you think it's blah, 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 blah. Sorry, am I reading too fast?
Insinuating.
You know,
Even if you read too fast, that just means that you're bored. But if you get into the good shit, I know you'll
yeah, start
getting
reading
annoyed.
everything. But like, ang bilis kasi, I'm just pressing everything for the sake of pressing everything, but like, we already know how to ano naman dispute this eh.
You just need to let the game do the game things, you know.
Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, she wouldn't know about the safe nga unless she was a prosecutor. And kahit nga si Gumshoe, hindi niya alam yung ano eh. Ang OA. Honestly.
I feel right at home.
Oh, really? Where's that?
I don't know.
OA town. Dumbass. Yeah, it can only be him. Siya lang naman prosecutor. Ay! Did you hear that?
No.
Okay, good. Bro, this guy is A-tier gaslighter.
Receding hairline,
Maybe stop talking.
clinging on to past achievements. I see the vision.
Persona 5 reference!
Oh,
No, my bad. That's on me.
and ito mo ba yung rumors? Merong three new
Atlas Games.
Yeah.
Diba may parang event
Yeah.
na-reveal na ba? Or ano?
Hindi pa.
Kailan ba yung event?
Ayun ang hindi pa.
I bet it's P1, P2 remake.
It's another P5 remake. It's another P5.
I bet they're gonna milk P5 some more. The new HD sprites look weird, honestly.
Yeah. With the OA animations that only really work with like that really downgraded visual.
Pixels, yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't really work when you have like 1,000 more pixels to work with.
Yeah, why does
Much more
Edgeworth look like a
sharper.
fucking bobby head you can buy at Petron? Diba?
I think yun nga yung gusto ko rin sa mga, I don't wanna say older. Parang more, parang, the games that are clearly tied to the technology they work with.
Mm-mm.
Like, kaya nga gusto ko yun kasi with the limited amount of stuff that they have, like the limited amount of pixels, the limited amount of polygons, like really good like character designs come out of that.
Yeah. Oh,
Like,
one
like
game.
sa konting colors, sa konting
Mm-mm.
sounds, like the fact that they could do all that and make it still so iconic is just really good to me.
One game that really comes to mind is yung Street Fighter Third Strike.
Yes,
That
I
game-
was literally about to say
That game is fucking beautiful. Like, all of those animations, diba? Oh my god.
I was about to say nga na fighting games nga in general nung that early, like even Tekken. Tekken has some fucking outrageous like hitboxes, but it works with like the OA animations they had that don't really work with the upgraded visuals we have now.
Mm-mm. I don't like yung visuals ng Tekken 8, honestly.
I'm not talking about that's just ugly.
Yeah, and look what they did to Paul, bro. What the fuck?
Oh my god. No. What they did to Hwarang, bro? What?
Bro, tsaka all of them look like they're on steroids. Like, all of the
You know
male
what?
characters look like they're on
I was
steroids.
so mad. Tapos binasa ko yung parang developer notes tungkol sa parang design philosophy nila and they wanted like to show like yung power behind the character, which is like, have you seen the women in that game you are making?
Yeah, plus, like, does steroids equal power?
Yeah, like the difference between yung body type difference between
Nung
men
girls and the guys
and-
are crazy. Si Brian.
Yeah, don't say that you want to show the strength of the characters through visuals alone if the women look like that.
Mm-mm.
Lily is clearing the leaderboards right now, and she still looks like
Go on.
branches. You know.
This is Giving Podcast. Hello, welcome to Talk Tua. Welcome to the first episode of Talk Tua. Hawk 1. What's Hawk 1? But how you got the game though? That's a trade secret.
There's this little combination of letters and numbers called 1337x.t.
You see, there's this girl and she's quite fit. Yeah.
She's really into fitness.
There's this girl and she's fit. And she has a website where she vlogs her. Yeah.
She has one official website, just to know.
Thank you for the follow, Carl. I'm so touched. Tangina.
Our mini podcast won him over.
Yeah, our talk to Hawk 1. What's 1 plus 1? Hawk 2.
I'm a hawk too.
Ay, yung dating prosecutor, oh. But like, bakit may basketball ring sa
Bakit ba?
Maybe they're just chill like that. Maybe they just didn't
Pinoy
to
mentality?
play basketball outside. They wanted to do it inside.
Tangkit, Jonathan.
Maybe he didn't want it to do outside, but inside. Pepe like.
Okay.
Nah,
Let's talk
okay,
about the
bro.
Sports, basketball.
O, ito yung
which is
yung
famously
file.
known to be played outside.
Isn't this the file? What?
The sink in the walk is taking me out.
It's the Ulysses.
Nagulat ako doon, nag-sync yung walk cycle nila. That's fucking funny.
Okay, so what? Oh, I bet that's gonna be a recurring theme in the game. Like the whole story is gonna be about that case 10 years ago. Ganyan madalas eh. Yung Ace Attorney games. They mentioned
Oh
something.
yeah, like they drop a fucking
Oo nga,
loaded
Sync
gun.
Walk!
Ano man, like, yung dating prosecutor na nandun, parang,
Okay, kasi Miles just inherited the office kasi. Tapos yung mga files,
baka meron siyang
yung mga case files
pinili dun
iniwan.
sa dati. Tapos, ayaw niya pakita dun sa bago, which is no?
I have no idea. But the recurring theme sa games, sa Ace Attorney games is they mention something that seems trivial. Tapos magpapakita pala later on.
Which
Parang
seems
Chekhov.
like a gag info, but it turns out to be really
Oo,
important later
oo.
on.
Like sa first game, yung parang Von Karma case.
Oh yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
diba,
Yeah,
like, you thought it's just gonna be a thing for one episode. Tapos sa
they
may...
keep calling back to it.
Mm-mm. What am I supposed to fucking do now? Just gonna open every blah 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 blah. Ba't ganyan yung pangalan ni Gumshoe? Putang ina.
Oh.
What are we supposed to do now? Should I talk to Ayun.
Anik girly.
Si Ina, anik-anik girly.
Yung madaming keychain dun sa bag.
Yeah. I could never. She's a victim of consumerism. That's what she always says. Them anik girlies have their go-to phrase.
Our
She's
duty
a
to
victim.
buy.
If you don't buy
Or
anything,
job.
what will become of you? You would be no one.
What will happen
Curate
to the
your
store?
identity by consuming more.
Gameplay feels like summertime. Yo! What summertime, bro? Pause.
People are dying. You're talking, people are dying.
Oh, wow, pause. Summertime what, bro? Okay, this is just fucking... Okay, I'm just fucking pressing everything that I can. Oh, you can examine it. What the fuck? Parang wala naman importante. Should I present it to her? Okay, may time window na tayo ng murder. 1 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. When did she use the master key? What the fuck? See, it's so easy. It's Mr. Portsman. That fucking...
That.
Nothing, nothing. She looks better with the uniform on. Why is she wearing a tracksuit now? I fuck. Okay. Can we...
Oh, she does look good with the uniform on. What the fuck?
I told you, bro. She looks bad with the uniform on. So why the
Keep
fuck
the
is she...
hat on, bro. Hide the forehead.
Why is she wearing that fucking tracksuit with that yee yee ass t-shirt, man? Oh, we can go inside. If it's not locked. Um...
Yuri?
He found it.
Ah, okay. I bet swinap out ni Portsman yung number tag ng doors. Yan. Wait, what? It's wrong? My, my bad. Oops. Eh di yung doorknob pala yung sagot.
What a bad fucking...
Hey yo, shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck... Yo, shut the fuck up!
Rod!
What the hell?
Shame! Doorknob.
Okay, first of all, forensics doesn't work that fast. But like,
Maybe they do.
shut the fuck up.
Maybe they do.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna point my scanning device on this doorknob and it's gonna give me a list of fucking fingerprints.
Yeah, it gives me the list of the... It gives me this name who lives the bitch across the city, bro. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Take that!
So she accidentally unlocked the other door, but oh, what's that? I brought the 3 pieces of evidence by just like we talked about on the phone, but it looks like you're out. I guess I'll catch up to you later. From Buddy. Okay, what else? What else do I have to fucking look at? Ay! Nagalaw yung ring. Ano pa? Meron pa ba? Oh! Ginalaw yung hoop. Para, kasi yung palatandaan ng security guard is yung hoop katabi ng door. So, ginalaw yung hoop para ma-mistake yung door ni Edgeworth as yung door ni Portsman.
Yun lang ng konti.
Hindi. Kasi, let's investigate that again. Kasi nung in-examine ko yung nameplate, sabi nung nung security guard, you can't mistake it because of that basketball hoop, sir. So yung palatandaan niya sa door ni Portsman is yung basketball hoop. So ang probably ginawa ni Portsman is ginalaw niya yung hoop papunta dito kay Edgeworth, dito sa pwesto ni Edgeworth. Para isipin ng security guard na yung yung door na binubuksan niya is kay Edgeworth. So examine natin yung nameplate. Yeah, I know I think that's it. That's my theory. OA ng laro. You tend to hide your crime under the guise of... Wait lang. Oh shit. Okay, I don't feel like pressing everything. Okay, I'm gonna press this and then present. Huh. Ito na ba?
Ba First case pa lang, ganyan nakatagal?
Yeah. Like, that's a problem nga with the Ace Attorney games. Ang tagal talaga nung first episode. Look at my lawyer, dog. He's going to Shut the fuck up! What the hell, bro?
Take that.
Yeah, you're only certain it was Sportsman door because it was the fucking basketball hoop. And pinalit nga yung plates. Excuse me. Like, ang haba ng case, ang haba ng first episode, but like, ang bilis mo rin siyang ma-figure out.
Like, certain ka na from the start.
Oo.
Sino talaga.
Kasi, ang bilis nila in-introduce yung yung suspect, di ba?
Hindi, tsaka na sa behavior naman, halata naman.
Huh. Okay, let's press that. No, that's not true kasi there's a note underneath your door showing that you weren't there. Where's the note? I love how sobrang cocky ni Edgeworth kapag nag-objection siya. Like, what a cocky piece of shit. He's such a cocky piece of shit. I love it, man. I love Edgeworth. Do we? We have? Guys? Do we? We have evidence of this? The master key? I'm gonna say the master key. It's fucking wrong! Fuck! Okay. Wait, but it doesn't make sense though. If there's one flaw in the case, nabaril yung detective na namatay once, 'di ba, sa stomach area niya. And then the killer sends a warning shot which goes to the yung parang jacket ni Edgeworth. So bakit isa lang yung bullets na natanggal dun sa gun na nahanap? What's his fucking alibi? Huh. Yeah, kasi I genuinely don't get bakit isa lang yung bullet na natanggal dun sa gun. I think there's a different party involved. I still think it's this guy who killed the detective, but yung nag-hostage, yung nag-confront kay Edgeworth nung bumalik siya, I don't think it was him. No. Oh shit. This one. Okay. Okay, so at least tama yung line of reasoning ko. But like, I don't know where it ends. What the heck? Okay. Hala, ang OA ng laro. Okay. So maybe Intruder 1 was after the thing in the shelves. Then Intruder 2 was after the safe. Goofy game. Fuck. He's right. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna press everything. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I noticed, um, magde-deliver daw si Jim ng evidence, the gun and the pendant. Why would Jim, yung sa gun kasi, there's a shot fired. Diba? Fuck me, it's wrong. Okay, maybe I can present the body. Ayun. 3 pieces of evidence pala. My bad. Ang OA ng breakdown. What the hell, boy? What is that? Uy, Tep.
Nag-stream ka ba?
Oo.
Trainer.
How are you? Tapos ka na mag-Valorant?
Oo. Kapagod.
Musta yung Silver Smurfer?
Puro 30 kills, puro olats.
Oy? Oy, puwat, sangin na. Nangyari? Ba't puro olats pa rin?
Wala, ganun talaga.
Ano yung scoreline?
Always like 13-12. Ay, 13-10,
Lugi naman.
ganun. Umabot na OT isa eh. 12, ano ata? 12-14. Okay lang. Yeah, it's K, it's K.
Hala, inat si Aaron. Apple equals rotten. Yeah. Wait, what? Yo, why are they beefing in my Twitch chat? Why are you guys beefing in my Twitch chat? I'm gonna set it to autoplay. Sorry guys, that's my fucking Gmail. Oops. Uy, si Jello. Jel, how are you? Tapos na shift mo? Tapos na shift mo, Jel? Nandito kami ni Tep sa GC, ay, sa Discord right now.
Ano na? Yung,
Tapos na yung first episode.
ano, sino pumatay?
Ano?
Saan
Yeah,
ka?
the fucking prosecutor guy.
Si Post something. Postman ba yun?
Portsman? Yeah.
Ay, Portsman pala.
Inaanto ako lagi sa angkas, bruh. Actually, ang sarap kaya matulog sa angkas ride. Okay. I'm gonna take a pissy wissy.
The fuck?
Bani ko, huh? Is something going on in my Twitch chat? Repiru timed out I missed me for G for 600 seconds! Wait, that's 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, it's 10 minutes, bro.
Why do I have a mod abusing his I'm gonna take a piss. What the hell, boy?
Oh, lol na.
What the hell?
Tatrabaho pa ako.
Ha?
Uy, ano, sayang yung... Sinabi ko
Ano?
Sinabi ko sa general. Walang mic pala. Yung tinat ko sa'yo kahapon.
Ah!
Nina.